What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this 2007 to 2009 Pontiac G5 remote key fob. This Pontiac G5 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down here near the key ring, off to the one side, we can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. And if your remote's a bit worn, this notch may be difficult to see, but it is there. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, put it in that notch, and then just pry the two halves of the remote apart like that. Go ahead and pull that back cover off, and then we see our battery right here. And this battery will just slide out from underneath the battery clip. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery and slide it under there like that. And make sure you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. Once we have our new battery installed, we can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.